Hey y'all, my name is Deanna. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be installing this beautiful 22-inch body wave unit. This hair is such good quality, absolutely no shedding, and the lace already comes pre-plucked. This is a 13x4 150 density lace wig. 13x4 means 13 inches across your head, and 4 inches means from your forehead back. This is a 150 density, which is the thickness of the hair. I recommend when buying wigs to stay between 150 to 180 density because you shouldn't want a thin wig, nor do you want a very thick wig. So first, I'm going to melt the lace using this Cantu hair stick and rub this only on top of the hair so it doesn't frizz, and use my hot comb. I am styling this unit with some pin curls using my curling iron and then pinning the curls down with bobby pins. So this is how the hair looks after I curled everything. Before install, put some foundation or lace tint on the areas where your lace will show. I'm going to be doing the bald cap method, which is not gluing the cap down, just the lace. If you do decide to glue the cap down, be mindful that once the wig is old and ready to come off, your edges might come off with it. So I like to do the bald cap method to be on the safe side. I add a few layers of Gots to Be glue on the lining of the cap, and I do this in sections. So first, I'll put the glue on the front of the cap, and then once I put my wig on, I will then glue down the sides. It just makes the install process less messy and more proficient. Once that's done, it's time to melt this lace. Lastly, I'm taking out the bobby pins, and once they're all out, I like to rub my fingers through the hair to separate the curls. Y'all, this unit is so beautiful. These curls lasted for so long, and I really love the volume of the hair because I am so into big bouncy curls. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me install this unit. I will put everything you need in the description box below. This 22-inch wig is currently cheaper than the 20 and 18-inch wig. So girl, don't walk but run to buy this hair. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
She paid one more visit to the DA's office and nobody could find any more information on how
Yes.
much she was